Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Diehl Defense presents UGV Ziesel with PLATON Autonomy kit for future battlefield at Enforce-TAC in Nuremberg. Diehl Defense is presenting its unmanned ground vehicle Ziesel equipped with the PLATON Autonomy kit at Enforce-TAC in Nuremberg. Alongside systems for drone defense and ground-based air defense, the company is highlighting its focus on the battlefield of the future, where unmanned ground systems are expected to play an important strategic role. The current version of the Ziesel has been enhanced particularly in terms of control and mobility in difficult terrain. The vehicle is based on the Ziesel platform from Matro and measures 1.6 by 1.3 meters, with a dead weight of 380 kilograms and a maximum payload of more than 500 kilograms. According to the company, these specifications make it well suited to supporting infantry by transporting heavy equipment across rough ground. Its high maneuverability allows it to accompany soldiers through dense woodland without obstructing them. Powered by interchangeable 11 kWh lithium-ion batteries, the Ziesel operates fully electrically and avoids attracting attention through engine noise. It can reach speeds of up to 20 km per hour. The vehicle's autonomous functions are enabled by the PLATON Autonomy kit developed by Diehl Defense. In Follow Me mode, it operates without active sensors such as LiDAR light detection and ranging or GPS, which could otherwise be detected or jammed. The UGV unmanned ground vehicle can maneuver military equipment around obstacles such as trees, evacuate injured soldiers and overcome terrain challenges by avoiding or driving over obstacles where possible. The autonomy functions are not limited to the Ziesel platform and can also be integrated into vehicles including the RMMV HX2, Patria AMV, Patria 6x6 and the THMIS from Milrem Robotics. Integration into additional large vehicles is planned for 2026. By combining the Ziesel platform with the modular PLATON kit, Diehl Defense states that customers receive a proven hardware and software solution from a single source, with further adaptations and expanded functionalities planned for the future. The Ziesel is currently undergoing testing with several armed forces, including those of Germany and Ukraine. With this development, Diehl Defense emphasizes its capability to deliver modular, off-road autonomy solutions for both unmanned and manned vehicles. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.